Ranked, the top 10 most impressive and biggest fighter jets of 2025. Older giants like the Tu-128 emphasized patrol endurance, while today's stealth fighters like the F-22 and J-20 balance size with low observability. From the Tupolev Tu-128 Fiddler to the Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon, today's biggest fighter jets dominate airspace with sheer size and combat reach. These platforms are vital to modern air superiority, regardless of the military they are associated with. Operated by air forces from countries such as the United States, China, and Russia, these jets fly from major bases and are often supported by aircraft from other stations. Before we dive into the video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Here is a breakdown of the world's largest fighter aircraft in 2025, ranked according to their fuselage length. The top 10 most impressive and biggest fighter jets of 2025. Number 1. The Tupolev Tu-128 remains the longest fighter jet ever produced, measuring an imposing 98.7 feet in length with a wingspan of 57.6 feet. Soviet engineers built this twin-seat interceptor during the Cold War to patrol vast regions of Siberian airspace, Arrow Corner flagged. It launched in the 1960s and quickly became one of the heaviest fighters in service, with a maximum takeoff weight of 96,342 pounds, 43,700 kilograms. Twin turbojet engines propelled it beyond 1,000 miles per hour, 1,609 kilometers per hour, in operational configuration. Despite limited combat use, the Fiddler carried long-range air-to-air missiles and radar-guided systems. Only 200 units were built before its retirement in 1990, but it remains a milestone in Russian aerospace history. Number 2. The General Dynamics F-111 Aardvark spans 73 feet in length with an impressive wingspan of 63 feet, making it one of the most structurally advanced fighter-bomber hybrids ever built. It debuted in 1967 under the United States Air Force. With a maximum takeoff weight of 100,000 pounds, 45,359 kilograms, the Aardvark supported roles in strategic bombing, electronic warfare, and reconnaissance. Its swift wing design allowed sustained supersonic flight at low altitudes. The aircraft proved its effectiveness during Operation Desert Storm, which destroyed dozens of armored targets. Although retired in 1998, the F-111 remains one of the largest strike fighters ever operated. Number 3. Sukhoi Su-30 Flanker C measures 71.9 feet in length and features a wingspan of 48.2 feet. Designed for multi-role operations, it accommodates 2 crew members and supports extended missions across diverse theaters. This twin-engine jet has a maximum takeoff weight of 76,059 pounds, 34,500 kilograms, and integrates a large internal fuel capacity of over 20,000 pounds, 9,072 kilograms. It achieves speeds exceeding 1,300 miles per hour, 2,092 kilometers per hour. Air forces in India, Russia, China, and several other nations operate the Su-30, often using it for ground attack, patrol, and air defense missions. It has also seen combat deployments in Syria. Number 4. The Su-35 stretches 71.1 feet long and spans 50.2 feet across the wings. This single-seat air superiority fighter is an advanced evolution of the flanker family. It carries a maximum takeoff weight of 76,509 pounds, 34,710 kilograms, and uses twin Saturn 117S engines to achieve speeds around 1,500 miles per hour, 2,414 kilometers per hour. The aircraft incorporates thrust vectoring for unmatched agility. Its weapons suite includes air-to-air missiles, guided bombs, and a 30mm cannon. The Su-35 enhances the Russian Air Force's tactical flexibility and has been deployed in multiple regional conflicts. Number 5. China's Chengdu J-20, Mighty Dragon, is 66.7 feet long with a wingspan of 42.3 feet, giving it a sleek profile optimized for stealth and speed. The design supports radar-evading missions. With a maximum takeoff weight of 81,571 pounds, 37,000 kilograms, the jet relies on powerful twin engines and an internal weapons bay to maintain a low radar signature. In flight, it exceeds 1,300 miles per hour, 2,092 kilometers per hour. Only China's People's Liberation Army Air Force operates the Chengdu J-20. The jet plays a crucial regional deterrence strategy and is equipped with long-range precision missiles. Number 6. Russia's Sukhoi Su-57, Felon, measures 65.1 feet in length and spans 46.3 feet across its angular, stealth-configured wings. This fifth-generation fighter emphasizes stealth, maneuverability, and survivability. The Su-57's maximum takeoff weight reaches 77,162 pounds, 35,000 kilograms, and houses advanced radar, infrared sensors, and supercruise capability. This fifth-gen platform supports a range of modern munitions. Entering service in the 2010s, the Su-57 is expected to remain active for more than 3 decades. It provides the Russian Air Force with stealth and multi-role capabilities comparable to Western counterparts. Number 7. The F-14 Tomcat measures 62.9 feet in length with a variable wingspan that extends to 64.1 feet. It was developed for the U.S. Navy to defend carrier strike groups. With a maximum takeoff weight of 74,350 pounds, 33,717 kilograms, it carried radar-guided missiles, laser-guided bombs, and a high-capacity Vulcan cannon. It reached speeds over 1,500 miles per hour, 2,414 kilometers per hour. Although retired by the United States in 2006, Iran purportedly continues to operate a few F-14s. The Tomcat remains iconic for its Cold War service and appearances in popular media. Number 8. Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. The F-22 Raptor is 62 feet long and has a wingspan of 44.6 feet. Designed by Lockheed Martin, it is the world's first operational fifth-generation stealth fighter. Its maximum takeoff weight stands at 83,500 pounds, 37,875 kilograms. The Raptor uses advanced avionics, thrust vectoring, and stealth materials to dominate in air-to-air and air-to-ground roles. With a top speed exceeding Mach 2 or 1,726 miles per hour, 2,777 kilometers per hour, the F-22 Raptor carries internal weapons including missiles and precision-guided bombs. The U.S. Air Force operates it from key bases such as Langley and Elmendorf. Number 9. The Boeing FA-18 Super Hornet measures 60.1 feet in length and has a wingspan of 44.8 feet. It serves as the primary multi-role fighter for the U.S. Navy's carrier air wings. With a maximum takeoff weight of 66,000 pounds, 29,937 kilograms, it features 1 or 2 seats depending on the variant. The multi-role fighter aircraft supports strike, reconnaissance, and fleet defense missions. Introduced in the mid-1990s, the Super Hornet remains in active use with over 600 units built. It continues to serve in the United States, Australia, and Kuwait. Number 10. McDonnell Douglas F-15E Strike Eagle. The F-15E Strike Eagle is 63.9 feet long with a wingspan of 42.9 feet. It is built for deep strike precision missions and carries a wide range of advanced weaponry. It supports a maximum takeoff weight of 81,000 pounds, 36,741 kilograms, and uses twin engines for speeds exceeding 1,600 miles per hour, 2,575 kilometers per hour. Its range and combat load make it a strategic asset. Besides the USAF, countries like Saudi Arabia, South Korea, and Israel operate the Strike Eagle. It remains one of the most capable dual-role fighters in global service today. Big jets, big presence. Jet size often correlates with combat radius, fuel load, and weapons capacity. However, modern fighter performance increasingly relies on avionics, stealth, and sensor fusion. Size alone doesn't define superiority, but these massive fighters offer unmatched presence in air defense, interdiction, and strike roles worldwide. As we conclude this video presentation, please take a moment to like, share, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to receive further updates. Thank you for your engagement.